wonder what it's like to have the ocean as your roommate? From my cozy porthole on the Norwegian Gem, I got front row seats to a never-ending parade of ships, waves, and island horizons. Let's see what sails by today. Sail away with me as we watch ships and islands drift by from my cozy porthole cabin on the Norwegian Gem. In this relaxing cruise vlog, I'll share ship spotting tips, ocean travel facts, and why a porthole cabin might just be your secret budget-friendly cruise upgrade. Perfect for cruise lovers, island dreamers, and anyone who needs a little sea therapy. Before we get too comfy watching the ocean roll by, here are a few fun cruise facts you might not know. Most cruise ships travel at an average of 20 to 24 knots. That's about 23 to 28 miles per hour. Sounds slow, but it's perfect for smooth sailing and scenic views. Also, the world's largest cruise ships are longer than the Eiffel Tower is tall, holding over 6,000 passengers and crew. Cruise ships are like floating cities. Cruise ships have delicious specialty dining and all-you-can-enjoy buffets that are included, shops for browsing and buying souvenirs, photo galleries to capture lasting memories, basketball courts to get your poop on, rock climbing walls for the adventurous spirit, thrilling water slides and roller coasters, deck parties, and endless fun in the sun. But sometimes the best part is just sitting back and watching the ocean roll by from your porthole. For the history buff, I'll share a little about what a porthole actually is, and then I'll give you what you came here for, the amazing views from my cabin porthole window. A porthole is a round window in the side of a ship. On older ships, it was made of thick glass and had a metal cover to keep water out in rough seas. Today, portholes still have that classic round design, but they're mostly used for natural light, views of the ocean, and a charming maritime vibe. They don't open like regular windows, for safety of course, and they're built strong to handle waves, salt, and storms. It's like having a picture frame, but the picture changes every minute. Alright friends, sit back, relax, and enjoy the many views from my porthole window. If you're having a good time sailing along with us, don't forget to hit that like button, leave us a comment, and subscribe to Travel Cake Trips. We're on our way to reaching our 1,000 subscriber goal, and every click helps. Coming up, you'll see 2 crew members securing the ship as they pull the mooring lines tight to the bollard. Plus, I'll give you a quick peek inside my cozy cabin with its fun little porthole. It does come with a few unique sounds, like the anchor dropping early in the morning when we reach Bahamas. But that's better than an alarm clock because it means you'll be one of the first to step outside and soak in the tranquility of paradise.
We're heading to an island somewhere.
To Nassau, Bahamas. Hey, don't click away just yet, because in a moment, we're going to see the local crew rope and secure our cruise ship to the dock. Then we're going to take a sneak peek inside my cozy porthole cabin. And if you love cruising, ship views, and behind-the-scene moments, you won't want to miss it. It's really cool. And it's all through my porthole window on NCL Gem.
I believe you're going to be tying up to that yellow thing. Ooh, we're going to get some up close and personal stuff. Like just two people pulling a ship in. Look at that. The strength. Ooh, they got seaweed down there. You know how when someone's in a swimming pool and they don't weigh anything? I think this maybe, these ropes gotta be heavy too. Yeah, they're heavy. He's dragging that rope. I think it's heavy. Look at this. Ooh, first hand. You get to see what it looks like when they wrap this thing around. That's it? That's all she wrote? And that's what the ropes look like. Let's get close. We're still moving. See, it's the circle, so I'm trying to give you a good look of what's happening with the ropes. I don't know if they're tightening them up or what's happening. I guess that's it. They put the ropes around like that. You can see the guys over there on the other ship right there.
I'm going to tap my key and give you all the first impression of my room. Oh, I like it. But look at this. Look at this room. This is room number 4500 on Norwegian Cruise Line's Gem. And it is a gem. I really like it.
Utopia of the Seas. That's our next ship. Get ready to head out to the beach. But this is the sound that you hear in the room. And it is 6:10 a.m. So if you're not an early bird, you might not want this room. But if you're an early bird like me, you woke up early to go to your ports, good to go. And it's only on the port days. See the anchors coming down. What's that sound? It's 5:42 a.m. and that sound was letting the anchor down. If you're in room 4500, that's what you hear. Thank you for joining Travel Cake Trips for another slice of paradise. This has been a wonderful cruise, and you are watching Travel Cake Trips from the Porthole. We are on Norwegian Gem, room 4500. Hit that notification bell. Like, subscribe. Thank you very much. Travel Cake Trips. We be trippin'.